let's start with the main open issues in the aerospace sector. First one, if the only 20% of space company in the world have in-house manufacturing, who produce their metal parts? If the skills of aerospace people do not include mechanics, please confirm, who industrialize their assembly? Who develop the 3D printed part if we need high expertise in 3D printing? Just one answer, Sophia High Tech. We are a deep expertise in design, development and manufacturing of space components made by metal alloy. I am Antonio Caraviello, working as business development manager and covering the role of CEO in the company. We are strong focused on space manufacturing. We are extremely working in the end-to-end approach. So starting from design and simulation until to manufacturing. We invested 10 years ago in additive manufacturing using selective laser melting technology. Moreover, thanks to the thermal treatment and the CNC machining, we are able to refine a part in order to release a final component to be assembled, mounted on rocket space, obviously on satellite. We complete the additive process with CNC machining. It means that we are able to obtain a complex part, very complex part with the free-form shape of 3D printing, but with CNC machining. It means that we are really good guaranteeing the required mechanical tolerances. Just 10% of aerospace company in the world have an end-to-end approach covering all the process. Just another example of the part, thanks Domenico, our CTO, now working as a showgirl. It's not a joke. You can see also the other part. We are able working to deliver it to our customer by our deck, working in nickel-based alloy, aluminum alloy, GR crop, copper alloy, and so on. Which is the better of a customer? It's a customer to come back. We work 12 years in the aerospace and defense, working in satellite, rockets, Lancer, and working for lightweight structure and propulsion application. About numbers, 12 years in which we are live. We involve 32 employees in the company, covering 30,000 square feet as a quarter. The last balance sheet count around 6 million of turnover, more than 6 million. We are working to reach for this year 10 million, 10% of EBITDA each year. And this is our team that's supporting, involving the company in our challenge that we face in the aerospace, all the certification we gained in the time working for military, working for aerospace, and above all with the aerospace agency for the additive manufacturing approach. What we are looking for? We are thinking seriously to come in US in order to develop this market. I think that we are ready for. We are growing to establish here, so we are need around 50 million, and US connection with buyer, commercial approach with US company. Thank you.